The acceleration due to gravity at a height 1 kilometer above the earth is same as at a depth d below the surface of earth. So we know that the radius of earth is around 6400 kilometer, and we are going to find out it at a height h which is equal to 1 kilometer. As we know that this 1 kilometer is much less than that of r, so we can go for an approximate equation for acceleration due to gravity, that is acceleration due to gravity at a height h is equal to g naught into 1 minus 2h divided by r if h is much less than that of r. And the acceleration due to gravity at a depth we can find out by using this equation, that is 1 minus d divided by r. Now it is given that both the values are same. The earth is same as at a depth d below the earth. So we can say that these two values are same according to the question. So we can equate these two equations. So I'll get the value of this d should be equal to this 2h. So d should be equal to 2h, and the value of h is given as nothing but 1 kilometer. So we can write this d should be equal to nothing but 2 kilometers.